Tamil Nadu Farmers Association conference was held in Tanjavur. In this special guest visit from Delhi Association Indian leader Mr. Rajan Kishki, a special interview Freedom News. Then he said that the BJP government ruling at the center is acting against farmers. He continued sharing various views, let's his opinion.
Sagar, I am All India President for All India Kisan Sabha. We are here for Tamil Nadu State Conference of All India Kisan Sabha State Chapter, and here we see that the Narendra Modi led BJP government is completely inimical to farmers. They are advocating World Bank dictated policies which have been devastating farmers and agriculture of India. To save agriculture and to save farmers in India, that is the main agenda of this state conference. Just a few days back, Modi government advocated National Agricultural Policy Framework for agriculture marketing. Farmers are resisting that. Along with the farmers, they are resisting demands for their demands. Legal guarantee of minimum support price and freedom from indebtedness has been demanded by the farmers. The farmers are deciding to strengthen their organization and movement with participation of women and fighting caste discrimination and communal dangers.
Thank you.
Natural disasters in this country or world over are not natural in that sense. That are results of global warming, which is created due to corporate greed of profit, which has, and capitalism created issue is this. So every farmer affected in the natural disaster must get a rightful compensation to continue his livelihood. That is the important issue, and this because of global warming. The policies of corporates that should be reverted back, and in this regard a special resolution has to be passed. All the measures earlier taken by the Modi government, just as PMFBY, Fasal Bima Yojana, that are in the hands of private corporate insurance companies, and this finance capital is again putting and looting farmers in the name of insurance, agriculture insurance. So the situation is critical globally. Monsoon is a very delicate phenomena, and it needs to be studied well and defined well, that any disturbances in the globe about what global warming will impact and hamper this monsoon season, and along with monsoon season it will hamper our agriculture and farmers' livelihood. That is the concern.